Forecast Bar offers powerful widgets that you can use to stay up to date on the weather at all times. Let's take a look at how to configure these widgets from within Forecast Bar on your iPhone or iPad. We'll start by tapping the menu button and choosing Settings. We'll then tap on Widget. From here, you can choose the location that you want your widget to default to, but you'll also be able to toggle between locations from the widget itself. Let's start customizing the compact view of the widget. You can choose between a number of different ways to look at the weather when it is compacted down to the smaller view. These offer everything from a full summary of the weather to a precipitation chart, 5-day forecast, 5-hour forecast, or what you'll see more here around a fully customizable summary. Let's go with that one. Now this will bring us to the expanded widget style. So as you press the Show More button or the Show Less button, it will toggle between these two modes. From here, you can turn on and off individual pieces. You'll also notice that you occasionally could get warnings if you have everything turned on, but we recommend you play with it and see what works for you. Now that we've configured the widget, let's take a look. We go back to our home screen and we'll move over to the widget screen and select Edit and add the Forecast Bar widget. You'll also see a MultiCity widget here for premium subscribers. Let's add that too and take a look. So you'll see our compact view with the summary is showing up here that we configured. As I expand it, you'll see again the configured view. I can toggle between these cities just by tapping here. Down below, the MultiCity widget will show us weather at all of the locations that we've added. This can be really helpful to start seeing what's happening across the areas that you care about. Now we can go back to Settings and customize that widget summary, just like we can our main widget summary. I can drag different items from the Not Included section to the Included section to make sure it covers all of the things that I care about seeing in my weather. And you may remember we can go down to the bottom here and choose a new line to add some spacing between these various options and make it more readable. I'm going to go ahead and add in one more item, and then I have a summary that works great for me. By returning back to the screen, you'll see this compact view now shows the summary that I've set up. You can also take a quick look at this widget by force touching here on the icon on the home screen.